Hi, I'm Chef RJ Howell. I'm from the Austin Marriott North, and today I will be cooking a seafood beggar's perch made with local flounder and porgy. Basically, a beggar's purse is a little small pastry cup that you bake off with a seafood filling. Really nice and easy, and it also has some French Boursin cheese in it, a little brandy, cream, crawfish, and shrimp, just to beef it up a bit. So locally caught flounder and porgy. So I'm gonna sear it first before I roast it in the oven. And that's just the start of making the seafood filling. So there's a few steps: making the filling, and then making the sauce where you add to the filling, and then putting that in the pastry round, and then tying that to make the beggar's purse. Just about 1 minute on each side. And then we'll go ahead and pop that oven for about 7 minutes. So now I'm gonna begin making the additional filling parts made with shrimp, crawfish, cream, brandy, and tomato paste. Like I said, this beefs up the overall filling. We add this to the fish. So what we have here is local crawfish tails, Gulf shrimp, brandy, heavy cream, and tomato paste. And we'll cook all that together and add it to Boursin cheese along with the fish we just put in the oven. We're just gonna cook the alcohol out until there's no more flame. And then we'll add the cream and cook it just enough until all the ingredients are combined and smooth. So now I'm combining Boursin cheese and our lobster crawfish sauce. So here I have the cooked flounder and porgy fillets, and we're gonna shred the meat and add that to our Boursin cheese and crawfish and lobster mixture. So once the flounder and fillets cook off, you can easily take the meat off of the bone. So that skin comes right off there once it's cooked and out of the oven. So like I said, this is local flounder caught off the coastline. If you want, you can also have some little meat on the bottom here that you can pull out, depending on how big the fish is. And these are a little bit easier. Also, always watch out for bones. So to shred that just to the consistency of crab meat, like lump crab meat. So once we have all the meat shredded, Boursin cheese, and then the cream mixture with the lobster and crawfish, we'll mix all that together, the consistency of like a seafood dip. Okay, so once we have our seafood mixture made, this is our filling. We're gonna take a French dough called brick dough, very, very similar to spring roll wrappers. We're gonna cup it into a muffin pan so you can get literally 12 in one pan right here once they're all built. Just make it in the shape like a tulip somewhat. And that's about 2 ounces that go inside that. So we're gonna come back again and make the shape of a purse. So this is a beggar's purse. Very classic preparation. Then we're gonna take just common butcher's string, and we're gonna tie that up. Just a double knot, we're just gonna come back and cut it. So we're gonna take more of our saute oil, drizzle that on top so it gets nice and crispy. You also sprinkle a little bit on the bottom too. And this is what it looks like, I said, before it goes in the oven. We're gonna bake that for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's golden brown on the outside. And then we'll have our beggar's purse ready to roll. In a few minutes, you have a seafood beggar's purse made with local bycatch, flounder and porgy this time. So just take your scissors at the end, cut it off, and you're ready to serve.